Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trading Signals, come to you live from somewhere on planet Earth, and we're going to be talking about what I think are some reasonable price predictions for XRP, Bitcoin, and where are we freaking headed with the crypto market. And we are seeing that right now. To be honest, the crypto market is kind of like in the doldrums. Guys, don't forget to smash the like, show some love, and remember, none of this is financial advice. We're kind of like in the doldrums right now. We're seeing that a lot of retail has kind of exited the market. They're sitting on the sidelines. We've had a lot of positive catalysts. We've had the crypto reserve. We've had the SEC dropping the case with XRP, all these kind of things. And, my realistic price predictions for XRP, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin, we're going to be talking about that in a second. But overall, the markets are flat. The markets are kind of pretty much boring. It's kind of like, a sailing ship that's in the ocean and the winds stop. And what we're really waiting for is for a really positive catalyst to come and really drive the markets. And overall, we've seen positive catalysts, but we really need to see something really big happening. Do I believe manipulation is happening? Yeah. Remember, crypto is really an unregulated market. I believe there's a lot of manipulation happening right now in front of us. And realistically, we've got summer coming, and summer typically tends to be kind of not much is happening because people are on holiday. People are kind of distracted from the markets and are focusing on other things. So I don't anticipate something big happening until September, October. October tends to be a pretty good time for crypto overall. So let's take a look at what's going on right now with the markets overall. So let me just adjust this so I'm floating on top here. So we can see here that overall the crypto market is slightly up right now. It's up a little bit, 2.76 trillion. We're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at 84,119. Okay. We're seeing Ethereum is under 2K. We're seeing XRP again has gone back down. It's down like almost 0.5%. BNB is also down as well. Dogecoin is up slightly, 1681. So really, from that perspective, we're seeing really just kind of just a flat market overall. XRP, pretty much the same thing. We're just kind of bouncing up and down. XRP has some good overhead resistance, about $202.68, and it seems that our support level is around $2.30. So that's kind of what's happening overall. We're seeing the DXY is coming up. This is not good. This is negative for crypto. We're seeing, a little bit of a pump, right? But nothing. Let me give this a minute to refresh out there. We're seeing a little bit of a pump out there for Bitcoin. It's at 85,394 now. That's not so bad. But XRP is still doing its thing, right? It's kind of doing its thing, and we really need to see a big catalyst happen before we see cryptos pumping. If you take a look at the fear and greed index right now for crypto, for Bitcoin, it's still unfettered, unchanged. So it's kind of just doing its thing, right? If you take a look at the charts right now, if you take a look at the XRP chart, pretty much the same thing on the 15-minute. We're just kind of like bouncing down, going around and back and forth between support and resistance, and I mean, like I said, our support is around about 229. We've got some resistance around about 268. You can see that this area here, resistance is around about that area. I'm not going to tell you that XRP is going to hit $5 tomorrow or next week. I think that we are going to kind of meander in this range for some time. That's what I think is going to happen. I think that we're just going to meander, be range bound, you guys just have to put up with it. If you take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin, pretty much the same kind of thing out there is happening, just kind of like range bound, and very very narrow range. We got resistance at 18. We got support at 16. And we're just going to continue this way. Really freaking boring, guys. My price predictions, I think we're going to be pretty much in the same pattern for XRP, for Doge, and Bitcoin. This is probably going to last till till April. Sure, we may get some peaks, we may get some valleys, but overall we're kind of stuck in this rut out there. And it's a rut. It's a freaking rut. Guys, go check out my link down there, Blowfin, where whales are born. Yeah, we got some cashbacks, all that kind of stuff, and cheap trading fees. I would appreciate. So overall, what's been going on in terms of crypto? Let's see what's going on. Yeah, some people are predicting 130 dollars, XRP and Doge ETF to be approved in April. I hope so. We need that pop, right? I still think that we're going to see massive pumps for Doge. It's just a matter of time. Some people are still saying $5,000 could be coming in 2030. It could. If XRP replaces the SWIFT system, we could definitely see some good stuff coming. North Korea says it will buy 10 billion worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, good. You buy it, bro. Also, the Open House Group, a leading real estate company listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange, announced that it now accepts XRP for payments. Oh, that's freaking awesome. That's freaking awesome out there. I love it out there. That's actually happening. So yes. Let me just save this. Save that picture. I like the picture. You guys like the picture? I like it. Yeah, I just want to do casual videos. None of this hype stuff. Just kind of casual. But overall, we're seeing that things are just going to be going sideways out there. So that's kind of all I got, guys and gals. So be blessed, be well. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Yeah, crypto's boring right now. Freaking boring. I got it. You got it. I love it. See you next.